What's up, Jooba people? Today we're learning Over Those Hills. Nice beginner level song, and I'll show you easy ways to play that B flat. Anyway, let me just play you the first verse so you get an idea of what you're going to learn. Over those hills. I can't sing it now. Over those hills, I bet you're somewhere dreaming. I take my pills every night and in the morning. When you wake up, every wish I was beside you. I'm gonna show you the easy version. We can look out together in those hills forever. Basically that, and then in the we'll go over this slowly. Verse 3, it's gonna be so. This is a feeling you can't imagine that it's real till you feel it. Oh, almost when I thought I had it, but the hurt is high. You get the idea. Pretty basic song, not too complicated, but let me just go over the parts with you. So for the chords, we have an E minor, just a regular old E minor, cap on the first fret, E minor, and then D, E minor, D for most of the song, okay? And then the B flat is gonna look like this, okay? If you play the D, you're gonna take the middle finger and put it above the ring finger, like that. So you got D. We could look out together in those hills forever. And that you're gonna do for the C. This, it's like a C at 9, but without the pinky. So D, or B flat, and then the C. And then back to D. Okay, so pretty easy. And then the strumming for the song, for beginners, it's going to be down, down, up, up, down. You could do just with the down strum as well. Or you could do down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down. Or you could do this, like the original. Mute, up, down, mute, up, down. Where you're gonna mute some of the notes in the strumming. But that's like if you just want to get really into the song. But I would just play it with a down, down, up, down strumming, and then later get the original strumming. Okay, so that's it. This song is not too tough. Verse 3, I quickly want to go through with you guys. So yeah, you're just gonna play normal D. So this is the feeling, and you could use this A, which I'll show you here. Okay. So there's D. So this is the feeling, and I would just do full strums with this part. You can't imagine that it's real. You can imagine that it's real till you feel it. You could do this A again, which I really like. Oh, almost when I thought I'd had enough, but the hurt is half the fun. And but there are already tutorials on YouTube showing you how to play that riff. But this is just basically if you want to sing, play it. Peace out. Have a nice day. If you want private lessons, more tailored to your skill level, let me know. Hit me in the comments. Not in the comments. Link in description. Cheers. Bye.